development market, and increased pressure on the current players to increase their market share, the need for an auditable strategic planning system increases. AUD aims to structure and document strategic planning for application as best practice, mining templates, or what-if analysis. The continuous pressure on mines and consulting houses to deliver optimized mine plans and create a range of viable scenarios puts more pressure on the planning team and the systems that they use. Technical staff is often forced to focus on the design and the schedule in isolation without consideration or documentation of the mining-related modifying factors related to the mining method, commodity, or specific ore body, or how these factors should be applied or interpreted. Naming conventions, standard development profiles, ore and waste definitions, losses, dilutions, run-of-mine and waste definitions, and reporting formats are but a few of the early requirements in the planning process. All underground mine design requires a range of iterative, manual, and automated design steps. No design should be fully automated, nor does it have to be fully manual. AUD allows the user to use advanced automation functionality while still using existing Surpac functionality for design modifications or design additions. Naming conventions are applied automatically at any stage as the design progresses to reflect farm boundaries, levels, production areas, or any three-dimensional spaces. AUD guides the user through this generic planning process to empower your planning team to deliver on project requirements. Clever and automated design tools should be assumed in planning systems. AUD has powerful design functionality while focusing on its ease of use, auditability, and its structured planning process. AUD adds value to the planning process through filing and backups, mine design criteria, design and precedent validation, and mine shed scheduling and reporting. All technical inputs of the plan forms part of the project, which can be interchanged freely between the planning team members to run additional scenarios remotely or review results. The template-driven environment enables the multi-mine mining company to regulate design practices and enforce best practice policies and reporting requirements suited to each project. AUD should be of interest to mining engineers and mine planners that use Surpac. It allows users to focus on the planning process and the job of incorporating the various complexities involved in underground mine design, rather than be distracted by the tedious work normally involved in creating realistic and auditable mine designs.